Ever wondered what binary trading is? Well, let's dive right into it. Binary trading is a fascinating financial instrument that offers traders the opportunity to speculate on the future price of an asset. This could be anything from a stock to a currency pair. The term binary signifies that there are only two possible outcomes. The price will either rise or fall. It's as straightforward as that. Now, you might be wondering, what are the key points about binary trading? Binary trading, as the name suggests, deals with two potential outcomes. It's a form of financial trading where the trader is faced with a straightforward yes or no proposition. The question at hand? Whether the price of a specific asset will rise or fall within a set period. Imagine this. You're a trader looking at the gold market. You believe that the price of gold will rise in the next hour. You decide to buy a binary option, essentially placing a bet on your prediction. If the price of gold does indeed increase within that hour, you win and receive a predetermined payout. The payout is a fixed amount, which you know right from the start, making it easier to manage your risk. But what if the price of gold falls instead? Well, in that case, you lose your initial investment. The all-or-nothing nature of binary trading means that you either win the payout or lose your investment. There's no middle ground. Binary trading is a game of precision, a test of your market predictions. It's not just about guessing, but making informed decisions based on market analysis and trends. It requires a keen understanding of the markets and a dash of courage to take risks. Sounds simple, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye. So, what are the key points that you need to remember about binary trading? First and foremost, binary trading, like any other trading, carries risk. The all-or-nothing nature of binary options means that even a small shift in the market can lead to a complete loss of your investment. Therefore, it is crucial to manage your risk adequately and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Secondly, understanding the asset you're trading is paramount. Whether it's a currency pair, a commodity, or a stock, you need to understand the factors that influence its price. This includes everything from economic data and news events to market sentiment and trends. Knowledge is power in binary trading, and the more you understand about your chosen asset, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Thirdly, you need a clear and robust trading strategy. This means having a set of rules that dictate when you'll enter a trade, when you'll exit, and how much you'll invest in each trade. Your strategy should be based on thorough analysis and backtesting, and it should be adaptable to changing market conditions. Next, it's vital to choose a reputable trading platform. Look for platforms that are regulated, offer a range of assets to trade, and have a user-friendly interface. It's also a good idea to look for platforms that offer educational resources and demo accounts, as these can be invaluable tools for learning the ropes and honing your skills. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of education and practice. Binary trading is not something you can master overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of practice. Make use of educational resources, take part in training courses, and practice with demo accounts to hone your skills and build your confidence. Remember, binary trading, like any form of trading, requires knowledge, strategy, and a level-headed approach. So keep these key points in mind as you embark on your binary trading journey. Let's wrap up what we've learned about binary trading. We've journeyed through the basics, understanding that this form of trading revolves around predicting whether the price of an asset will rise or fall within a specific time frame. It's essential to remember, though, that simplicity doesn't equate to easy success. Binary trading, like any form of trading, carries a substantial risk. This risk underscores the need to have a solid grasp of the financial markets. Knowing when and where to place your trades can make the difference between profit and loss. And of course, let's not forget the importance of a well-thought-out strategy. Without one, you're essentially gambling, not trading. The bottom line? Binary trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, patience, and a good deal of learning. So there you have it. Binary trading in a nutshell. Remember, the key to successful trading is education, strategy, and practice. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. Before we wrap up this video, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching. Your support means the world to me, and it's what drives me to create high-quality, educational content like this. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Your engagement helps me to continue providing you with the best content possible. So whether you're just starting out in binary trading or you're a seasoned pro looking to sharpen your skills, let's continue this journey together.